well as earning money. So we have got a real estate certificate that you can get. It's a short-term course. It's a 6 months course where you can earn money from real estate when you're also earning money. So it's a short-term course that is offered to anyone that would like to have a career in real estate business. So this course is good for people who want to earn money, because real estate is one of the industries that here in Uganda that is very growing at a rapid pace, and everyone that acquires money would like to build a house or would like to get into real estate. So you can earn a certificate, as well as we also get to work with us in all our projects. So and when you apply or when you register for this course, you receive a real estate book that shows you real estate 360, how you can start, how you can earn money, how you can build and grow your career in real estate. So upon registering, you also get registered onto our website. Here is our website. So you also get registered as our agent on registration when you're starting a course. So this is a list of our agents. We have got, so you see, these are our agents. So you get listed in here. You start to list your properties. So you see, this one has got 32, this one has got 31, this one has got 32 properties listed into his account. So let me use my own account as an example, how you can earn money. So this is my account. So these are the properties I have in here. These are the properties I have in here. So these are all listed. Some of them are for sale, some of them are for, you see, a list of properties. So this becomes your vending account. You can always go through, if you have got a job, you can always go through the weekends, evenings, get a property, look around brokers. We have also groups, WhatsApp groups, where we can add you, and you also learn, you get exposed to the market, as well as you also get exposed to our let me show you our other partners. We have got a lot of them, quite a number of them. This is another developer that is developing these properties in Kololo. So these are the properties. So these are the properties. So you get to work with such people, such developers. So I encourage you to take up this course. This is a good course for you. You get to earn money. So if you bring a buyer to any of these apartments, so these are the properties being built in Kololo. So this is one of our partners. He's a developer. So you see, now you're getting exposed. You have not yet started the course, but you're now learning from me, from the best. So these are all other developers. This is another developer is developing this project. This project is in Tinda, one of our projects we had partnered with him before on this project. So this is the project. So these are the people we are talking about. So you also get to when you upgrade for further studies, you also get to work with one of our trust funds. What this is RIT Uganda. RIT Uganda is a long-term trust fund. If you upgrade from the certificate, you upgrade to a bachelor's, master's, and a PhD, you get a full-time job in one of our investment trust funds. So this is one, it's a long-term investment. Then there is also another trust fund, which is Ajabak Stike. When you upgrade, you also get a full-time job there. Ajabak Stike is when we buy or construct such apartments. Is when we buy or construct such apartments, then we subdivide into tokens or shares, then we sell shares to we sell shares to investors. So these investors become the owners. This is this this is this is This is an opportunity for you to get a good start in real estate when you are working with the best. For example, I want to show you what commission would you be earning. So this is like 1.3 billion for a four-bedroom apartment in Kololo that is being built apartment. So you see, uh, I want to show you how much you can earn as commission for a four-bedroom. Uh, let's do so. This is the price of a three-bedroom. This is 292,000 400 US dollars. So how much is commission on that? So I that is why I encourage you to come and start this course. This is a good course for you. You can this is a good course for you to earn money in real estate and to change life. The other one, you get exposed to our partners, developers. I've shown you some of the developers, property managers, people who have properties that they would like to sell their properties. People who want uh, people who want mortgage brokers. You get to work with mortgage brokers. You get to work with mortgage banks so that they can provide financing for your financing for your to your clients. You have got a client, but he has got little money and you would like to close. So get to introduce you to all these people so that you can also earn money.